Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a health education program with Mayo Clinic, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a health education program with Mayo Clinic, start by identifying the target population. Conduct a needs assessment to understand the specific health issues faced by this group. Gather relevant data from surveys, interviews, and focus groups to gain insights. Next, define the key objectives of your health education program. Ensure these objectives are measurable and align with the needs of the target population. Collaborate with Mayo Clinic to access their resources and expertise. Establish a partnership agreement detailing roles, responsibilities, and expectations. Design the program curriculum with input from healthcare professionals. Incorporate evidence-based practices and guidelines from Mayo Clinic's research. Select appropriate educational methods, such as workshops, webinars, or one-on-one sessions. Develop engaging materials, including handouts, presentations, and digital content. Plan the delivery format based on the target audience's preferences. Train facilitators on effective teaching strategies and content delivery. Implement the program in a pilot phase to test effectiveness and gather feedback. Collect data through evaluations and surveys during the pilot phase. Analyze the feedback to identify areas for improvement. Refine the program based on the insights gathered from the pilot. Launch the full-scale health education program once adjustments are made. Continuously monitor participant progress and program outcomes. Establish a system for ongoing evaluation and feedback collection. Utilize the data to make iterative improvements to the program. Share the results and best practices with stakeholders and the community. Celebrate the successes and acknowledge contributions from all partners involved. This approach will help ensure a successful deployment of a health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.